What's up, my fellow developers? Welcome back to another episode of Today in Lumberyard. Real quick, if you guys want to support the channel, you guys can check the description of that down below. We are nearing 1,000 subscribers really soon here, which will open up a lot more perks for the channel as far as like subscribing and giving me my community tab so we can touch more as well. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Today we're going to be talking about the future of the math libraries inside of Lumberyard. The full article, as always, will be down in the description down below, and we're going to touch bases as far as what we can expect from a future update. Now, Lumberyard already had some weird math calculating from the jump because of the legacy libraries that was pulled from CryEngine, and according to Lumberyard, their acquisition from the Double Helix, along with trying to add new things that Lumberyard wanted to do, all that was mixed in together with what we have been using today. So it led to like a highly inconsistent API design, and there was a lot of shortcomings to the math library that you wouldn't find in other engines per se. And there have been efforts made to rectify that so that we have a more consistent API. To give an example, AZ transform, which if you're using strip canvas is just a transform node, has been decomposed so that it contains individual translation, orientation, and scale fields. You guys know, if you right now, if you open up 1.27 and you pull out that transform, it's just going to have the node with a input or output of transform without actually giving you the breakdown of what a transform is comprised of, which is your translation, your orientation, and your scale. A new set of fast performing trig functions have also been included. They've also added a frustum type, which is what you manipulate to handle things like visibility, and it's also going to play a part in next generation networking, streaming, and rendering efforts. All that sounds really awesome. There's more of the blog breaking down things like the interfaces for vector 2, vector 3, and vector 4, the matrices, transform vector, just a lot of things that we would use as game developers that are being improved or deprecated or newly added to make sure that we have a streamlined API design and more consistency to help developers understand how to use different math functions inside of Lumberyard. As always, if you guys want to see the full breakdown for the blog, the link is down in the description. I definitely encourage you guys to give it a full read so you guys know where Lumberyard is headed. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys are excited about what's coming next in the engine. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know down below. If you guys have any suggested videos, if you guys want to see more certain types of tutorials, also let me know down below in the description, down below in the comment section, or you guys can hit me up on Discord, which also has the link down below in this box. Other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects. Hope you guys are having a great day, a great weekend, depending on watching this. But yeah, until next time, always remember to keep developing.